CFO Bites on the sidelines of CFO Conference 2026 with Karachi and podcast studio में हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं जाज़ेब अमीन साहब, who is a partner at PwC. Other than that, he's a vice president north at PIB. अस्सलाम वालेकुम जाज़ेब साहब, कैसे मिजाज?
Thank you very much Adil, so glad to be with you.
सर जी, CFO Conference माशाल्लाह कराची में पुर रौनक चल रही है, अब उसके बाद इस्लामाबाद में भी होनी है, एक्साइटमेंट का होगा लेवल ज़बरदस्त हाई.
Indeed, I mean, we as the business leaders, as the finance professionals, this is the pinnacle for any professional. Okay, if he goes to the industry, would love to rise to the level of CFO, because the conventional definition is CFO ki, it is no more a chief financial officer, it is chief future officer. Whatever money is coming in, whatever the dollar is going out of it, its relevance with the future, that is what a CFO is having oversight on that. So all good and all set to create value for the future.
जाज़ेब साहब, मैं ज़रा जानना चाहूँगा, बिकॉज अ यंग जनरेशन इज़ वॉचिंग और हम चाह रहे हैं कि ज़रा वो भी आप जैसे बिजनेस लीडर्स से जो है वो लर्निंग कुछ हासिल करें. टेल अस अबाउट योर ओन जर्नी टुवर्ड्स बीइंग अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. लाइक वाज इट ऑल स्मूथ या देयर वर कुछ क्राइसिस आए, रोड ब्लॉक्स आए, सम लर्निंग्स दैट यू वुड वांट टू शेयर फ्रॉम योर ओन लाइफ?
नहीं, God has been very kind, alhamdulillah. If you look back, there are certain things that you have to do, there are certain challenges you have to come up, be it any professional, be it an architect or a lawyer or a doctor or any professional, there are certain milestones that you have to achieve. कुछ रातें काली करनी पड़ती हैं, कुछ कुर्बानियाँ देनी पड़ती हैं, and in the longer when you see, that is all that pays back. And same was my journey. I would not say that I'm someone extraordinary, but जो mentors मिले, जो उन्होंने guide किया, for any other successful professional, my journey has been marked with the brilliant seniors that guided me. And alhamdulillah, today where I sit, I am very confident that I am in a position that I can create my successors who can carry this profession to more new heights.
तो माशाल्लाह सारे पेपर्स फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में निकल गए थे?
मेरे I was the last amongst the last batch of graduates that joined Ferguson Islamabad. मेरे पहले तीनों ग्रुप स्ट्रेट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में थे, फिर आखिरी ग्रुप में व्हेन आई लुक डाउन गलती मेरी थी, बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह गॉड वाज काइंड इनफ. आई क्वालिफाइड विद इन 1 year of my article completion, and since onward there has been no looking back, alhamdulillah.
The new generation that wishes to take up accountancy as a profession, ये chartered accountancy की लाइन में जाना चाहती है, what message would you have for them? I mean, एक apprehension है artificial intelligence के हवाले से कि क्या ये profession relevant होगा या नहीं, उनको क्या बोलेंगे आप?
देखिए, these are two separate things. For every new generation, इर्तिका का अमल इंसानियत के साथ है. हर दौर में नई चीज़ें आई. एक टाइम पे टेलीविज़न भी बिद्दत था, टेलीफोन भी बिद्दत था, फिर अब when we talk about artificial intelligence, perhaps in 10-15 years from now there would be something else. ठीक है, दो बेसिक्स आपके जौन से हैं, इंटेग्रिटी, वैल्यू, प्रोफेशनलिज्म, if they are with you, then you can thrive in any sort of environment. And moving forward, I think अब हमारा प्रोफेशन इतना डिफाइन हो चुका है, from rising above from conventional accounting role to accounting, reporting, budgeting, planning, risk management, strategy. So there are so many new horizons with the new people can, specialize, and they can capitalize on those experiences, to shape up their career on that side. Artificial intelligence, be it known loud and clear, it cannot be a substitute to natural stupidity. If you avoid that, then any profession you can scale in. But the way we see that accountants are the future for any sort of business that you want to do across the globe.
Jaazib Saab, thank you so much for this word of advice, and good luck for the Islamabad leg of CFO conference.
All for a common cause. Thank you.
Thank you.